When I graduated from high school, I registered for higher education in May at ITU Surabaya and Satya. They say that when I registered online, I declared that I had graduated from these two universities. But because of my name at that time, I also passed the affirmation scholarship for my sister. In the end, I chose the scholarship path and I got a scholarship at the Indonesian Christian University. And thank God I graduated in international relations. At the beginning of entering college, I was still afraid of new friends and also adapting to a new environment. We support each other, friends, and help each other when I'm in trouble. And all of that is beyond my expectation. I thought it will be difficult in a new environment, but it turns out that I am loved by my friends who are good and care about me. My goal in the future is to be able to finish college on time, make mom and dad proud, and also get the job I want. And if I succeed, I also want to continue my master program well. And from now, I have to be diligent and active in studying.